Hello everyone and welcome back to the 7th lecture of the machine learning course. So today and tomorrow will be all about neural networks. So we'll be covering some more basic ideas behind neural networks today, which will be feed-forward neural networks, back-propagation, and some basic introduction to TensorFlow. And then tomorrow we'll be talking a bit more about more modern techniques from deep learning, such as CNNs and LSTMs, and different types of optimizers, such as, for example, the Atom optimizer, which you might have heard about already. Now, that is a lot of information, and you could probably easily create a whole course around neural networks and deep learning, spending all the 2 weeks doing that. So it's actually to kind of cover some ground. We obviously have to limit ourselves a little bit to certain type of topics, but also some of the topics tomorrow we can't go into all the details. I can only give you some basic ideas, and then you have to do some extra reading if you want to kind of deepen any of these areas. It's just for the time we are given, we can't do much more. But it is still worthwhile to cover it, because obviously those techniques are quite important and you read a lot about them, so you really want to have a good idea of what's going on.